In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share someone's post on Instagram story. So in order to share someone's post on Instagram story, it's very simple. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, open up or log into your Instagram account. So once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home page. Now, sharing someone else's post on Instagram story highly depends on the type of account that the user have. Now, if the user has a public account, then you'll be able to share their post onto your Instagram story. Whereas when the user actually has a private account, then you'll not be able to share. So let me show you. Now, this is actually a public account. Now, if I tap the arrow icon, and then you can see right at the bottom there's an option as add to story. Go ahead and tap on it, and when you do that, you'll be able to add it to your story. Now, if you select a private account, let's go with a certain user. Now, from my following list, the user actually has a private account. Now, if I tap the arrow icon, as you can see, there's no such option as to share it to my post because the user actually has a private account, which means that I won't be able to share it to my Instagram story. So that's how you can share someone's post on Instagram story. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.